Good evening, everyone. Let's start our meditation practice first. Please find a comfortable and relaxed posture. Sit comfortably. It is very important to sit quiet and relaxed posture. Take a few deep, long breaths and relax your whole body. Relax your mind. Maybe so many things going on in your mind. Please leave everything behind you. Right now, we all going to spend beautiful 30 minutes. We are going to spend some time with ourselves. We are going to develop loving thoughts and we are going to focus on our breath. Relax your body and observe each part of your body and see are they relaxed. Relax, relax. Let's practice loving friendliness thoughts towards to yourself. Try to be a loving and kind person to yourself. And say these words to yourself lovingly and kindly. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be free from inner and outer dangers. May I be well in mind and body. May I be able to find noble friends. May I be strong and healthy mentally and physically. Wish to yourself and bless to yourself. Try to be a loving and kind person to yourself. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Now imagine your loved ones. Imagine their faces individually. Maybe they are not close to you, different places, maybe different states, maybe out of the country. But we can connect to heart to heart. If you have any difficult time with someone, try to let go and send your loving and compassionate thoughts towards to them. All my loved ones, be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be free from inner and outer dangers. May they be well in mind and body. May not any difficulties come to them. May they be able to take care of themselves happily. May they be able to find noble friends. May they be strong and healthy mentally and physically. All my family members, be well, be happy, be peaceful. Now we can send our loving and kind thoughts towards to all the living beings. Send your loving thoughts without any discrimination. We all are human. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be free from inner and outer dangers. May they be able to find peaceful, relaxed and healthy environment. May they be able to take care of themselves happily. May all the living beings be strong and healthy, mentally and physically. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. Now it is time to develop your unconditional love. If you have any difficult one in your life or enemies in your life, think of them. No need to get anger. As a loving kindness practitioner, we can't skip them. Send your loving and compassionate thoughts towards to them. May my difficult people be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be free from inner and outer dangers. May they be able to find noble friends and good guidance. May they be strong and healthy mentally and physically. If you want to change your posture, you can change it anytime. Do it mindfully and slowly. In this moment, you are the one of the loveliest person in this world. We are creating loving thoughts. Your mind is full of love, full of compassion. Try to develop your loving thoughts each moment, each day. Try to be a loving person to yourself and also to others. Now let's practice mindfulness breathing meditation. Take a few deep long breaths and relax your whole body. And focus on your natural, ordinary breath. No need to control your breathing. Just focus on your natural, ordinary breath. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. So many thoughts, sounds, sensations may distract you. Let them come and go. When the body is inhaling, you know that body is inhaling. When the body is exhaling, you know that the body is exhaling. Not thinking about the past, not thinking about the future, experiencing the joy of the present moment with the help of the in breath and the out breath. Do not try to stop thoughts or control thoughts. If thoughts are there, just know you are having thoughts and come back to your breath. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. Now, slowly focus on your inside. Try to understand nature of your mind. When you focus on your inside, you can see your skillful, beautiful spiritual mind. Be grateful for your good mind. Try to develop your good thoughts, your skillful thoughts. And also, you can see your unskillful mind. No need to worry about it. Understanding is the most important thing. It's mean you can fix your mind. This meditation practice will help you to develop a good mind. Please bring your palms together in front of your heart. Make a strong determination to practice this meditation every day, at least 5-10 minutes. May peace be with you. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. Thank you so much. Slowly open your eyes. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining with us this evening. I hope you all are having a beautiful day, and I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. This evening, I would like to talk about sleep. Why I was thinking to share with you some ideas about sleep. I know so many people are having some difficult time. So many people are using so many tricks, and so many people are using so many pills, and they are taking so many drugs to get a proper sleep. Then I was thinking I can share some ideas with you how we can apply this meditation practice to our daily life and how we can apply this practice to our sleep. I know many people are come to this place and they are always asking so many questions, and they are telling about their experience, and they need some guidance, they are asking some help. When we are going to practice this meditation or this all the Buddhist teachings, we can find so many techniques, we can find so many good ideas to apply to our daily life. So it is very important to get a proper sleep. Why? It can make your mind and body healthy. It will affect your mental and physically to stay healthy. That's why it is very important. Let's think why we can sleep well. There are so many problems why we can sleep well. But I would like to talk about just few ideas. Let's think, if we have unpleasant mind, if we have unclear mind, if we have some complicated mind, we can sleep well because our mind is not calm, our mind is not peace, and it is not relaxed, and so many things going on our mind, so we can sleep well. Then what people do, usually I notice, I heard so many stories, people are taking different kind of pills. Then I heard so many news, finally some people died because of overdose. So taking pills or taking different kind of medication, it is not helpful for you mentally and physically. So let's think how we can apply this meditation practice to our daily life and have a good sleep. When you are going to understand about loving kindness meditation, there are 11 benefits. The first one we call we can sleep well. If you practice this loving kindness meditation, you can sleep well. Buddha said in Pali language, Sukhang Supati. How you can apply this loving kindness meditation? You have to do very simple thing. I already told you it is very important to have peaceful and relaxed and calm mind. What you have to do before you go to sleep, sit on the bed, just practice maybe 2-3 minutes, maybe 5 minutes this loving kindness meditation. Send some loving thoughts towards to yourself, towards to your loved ones, and also towards to all the living beings. Then your mind is peace, relaxed and calm. You can enjoy beautiful sleep. Also, you can do the same thing. What is the second benefits of loving kindness practice? You can get up freshly. It is very important. It is very important to go to sleep peacefully, and also you can get up very freshly. Also do the same thing after you wake up on the bed, do the same thing, practice 2-3 minutes loving kindness meditation. Then you can get up freshly and you can enjoy beautiful, wonderful day. This is the first trick that you can apply to your sleeping. What is the second one? I usually do this trick most of times when I wake up in the middle of the night. Sometimes I do. We all have a smartphone, technology is everywhere. You have to do a very simple thing. You can find some chantings. You can find some meditation chantings or some sutras. There are so many Buddhist chantings. Just play and listen to it. So you will go to sleep naturally. I experience so many times, I usually do it, then naturally I go to sleep. You can try this one if you have any difficult time with sleep. What is the third one? This is very beautiful one. Recently I was listening to Thich Nhat Hanh's some Dhamma talks, and maybe most of you know who is Thich Nhat Hanh. He is one of the greatest Zen master and meditation master. And one of his Dhamma talk, there was a little girl. She asked beautiful question. What she asked, my dear Bhante, how I can get sleep quickly? It was her question. I was so surprised, and I was surprised because of that little girl asked this kind of question. Then what was the answer of Thich Nhat Hanh? He said, after you go to bed, stop thinking. About what? What he said, stop thinking about tomorrow. Let's think, we all do the same thing. After we go to bed, we start to think what I'm going to do tomorrow. It's a new day, I have to do so many things. I do the same thing. We all do the same thing. But after I listen to that talk, I change my perspective. I start to think something different. Then he said, stop thinking about tomorrow. That's why I said, it is very important to have a peaceful and calm, relaxed mind. When you are going to think about so many things on the bed, we can't sleep properly because so many thoughts come to our mind. Maybe those thoughts are not healthy. The first one is what he said, stop thinking about tomorrow. The second one, the second advice of Thich Nhat Hanh, it was very beautiful. What he said, after you go to bed, close your eyes, focus on your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Just focus on your breath. It was his second trick, second advice. What I did the same night, after I listened to the talk, I did the same thing. I just closed my eyes and I tried. It worked. I went to sleep right away. I didn't notice it. So now I do the same thing. If I wake up middle of the night, I do the same thing. Maybe you can do the same idea. Just focus on your breath. The third one, it is also a very beautiful one. What he said, we can use some dharma songs. What's the dharma songs mean? You can find some nice dharma phrases. We can use loving kindness meditation. May I be well, may I be happy, may I be peaceful. What you have to do, just sing to yourself. Close your eyes and sing to yourself and find some nice rhythm. Just repeat, may I be well, may I be happy, may I be peaceful. Just repeat it to yourself. But I didn't try this one. Definitely, I know this will work also. Try this third technique too. So there are so many techniques that we can apply to our daily life and that we can use to have a proper sleep. Then you are not going to experience some difficult time. You can sleep properly and well. It is very important to have a good sleep. It can make you mental and physically healthy. So try to use this everything. I hope you learn something. Try to apply to your daily life. You can share with your friends. And now we all the monks, we are going to do some chantings. You can listen to this chant, and during the chanting, you can practice loving kindness meditation. If you want to bless someone, you can think about them, send your loving and kind thoughts towards them. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato Samma sambuddhansa itipiso bhagavarahan samma vidya charana sampanno sugato lokavidu anuntaro purisa dhamma sarati Deva manusanam buddho bhagavati swakato bhagavatadam akaliko ehi passiko panayiko pacchattam veditambo vinyoye සුපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ සාවක සංඝෝ ජුපටිපන්නෝ ඥාය පටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ සාවක සංඝෝ සාමීචි පටිපන්නෝ සාවක සංඝෝ යදිදං චත්තාරි පුරිස යුගානි අට්ඨ පුරිස පුංගලායස සාවක සංඝෝ ආහුනේයෝ පාහුනේයෝ දක්ඛිනේ අංජලි කරණේයෝ අනුත්තරම් පුඤ්ඤක්ඛෙන්තං ලෝකස්සාති වජ්ජේන දුක්ඛා උපසමෙන්තු තේන සච්ච වජ්ජේ භයා උපසමෙන්තු තේන සච්ච වජ්ජේ උපසමෙන්තු තේ මන්හංකරෝ මහාවීරෝ මේදංකරෝ මහායසෝ සරණං ලෝකහිතෝ දීපංකරෝ ජුතින්ජරෝ කොණ්ඩඤ්ඤෝ ජනපාමංකෝ මංකරෝ පුරිසා සබෝ සුමනෝ සුමනෝ දීරෝරේ රති වණ්ඩනෝ සෝබිතෝ ගුණ සම්පන්නෝ අනෝම දස්සී ජනුන් සමුලෝක පජ්ජෝතෝ නාරදෝ වරසාරති පදුමුන්තරෝ සුමේදෝ අග්ග පුංගලෝ සුජාතෝ සබ්බ ලෝකංගෝ පියදස් නරා සබෝ අත්ථ දස්සේ කාරුණිකෝ ධම්ම තමෝනුදෝ සිද්දත්තෝ අසමෝ ලෝකේ තිස්සෝ වරද පුන්සෝ වරද සම්බුද්ධෝ විපස්සීච අනුපමෝ සිකී සබ්බ වෙස්ස භූ සුඛදායකෝ කකුසන්தோ සත්තවාහෝ කෝනාගමනෝ රණන්ත කස්සපු සිරි සම්පන්නෝ ගෝතමෝ සක්්‍ය පුංගවෝ තේ සංසච්චේන කාන්ති මෙත්ත බලේන ච තේපි ත්වං අනුරක්ඛං ආරෝග්‍යේන සුකේන චාති සම්බේතයෝ විභාජ්ජං සබ්බ රෝගෝ විනාශතු මාතේ භවත්වන්තරා සුඛේ දීඝායුකෝ භව භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ භාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ සංඝානුභාවේ සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ නක්ඛත් යක්ඛ භූතානම් පාපං පරිත්තස්සානුභාවේන අන්තු තේ සංඋපන්දවේ ආකාසට්ටාච ගාමහින්දිකා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරාන් රක්ඛන්තු ශාසන ආකාසට්ටාච බුම්මට්ටා දේවානාගා මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා चिरान् रक्कन्तु देशनान् आकाशट्टा च बुम्मट्टा देवान् गामहिद्दिका पुण्यन्तं अनुमोदित्वा चिरान् रक्कन्तु त्वां सदाति. May you be well, may you be happy, may you be peaceful. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful night.